Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. And this one is really, I don't know, this is big box. This is not from Amazon, from the Best Buy, but I don't know what is. Looks like this. Not heavy, it's light. I ordered, I remember from Best Buy, this phone charger, Samsung phone charger, but is this that? Let's find out. Yeah. This is just listen, such a super fast charging, wall charging, 25 watts, 25 watts, and here is the power up, super fast charge. Yes, can it? This is a I say packaged in USA. I don't know, probably this is made in China. Okay, as you can see, this is sealed. 25 watts. This doesn't include, it doesn't mention anything about the cable. This probably only the charger. Let's open this. Yeah. The white one. Heavier. This bought from the Amazon. This original Samsung charger, wall charger adapter. It's 25 watts. It's plenty good. Not fast. Really charging your devices, high-end device, especially newer devices, fast. I had before once. I bought this just for backup. I using this Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this is really good. It's getting really hot when charging, but I think this is normal for the fast charging devices. Samsung. Right, that's it. And this this is a current information in this package, and there is nothing cable, just charging itself. I put this aside. As I mentioned before, I bought it just for the backup in the case of my current one is broke, or when I go somewhere, that time I can use this. I put it aside now. The purpose, just everything is okay. As I mentioned here in the other video, that it was in my basement, and my basement is flushed with the water because of the heavy rain that we had recently, and this is wet now. I feel the kind of moisturized, but this looks like it's safe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like this video if this was some kind of helpful for you, and also support us by subscribing to this channel. Thank you a lot. Have a good day for everyone.